As a result of the rains in the eastern Chinese province of Anhui, 811,000 residents were affected, and 195,000 people had to be evacuated. Houses and roads along the river were destroyed. On July 1st, the Miluo River flooded to superhistoric levels and destroyed half of the city of Pingjiang. Water levels in the Yangtze River, China's longest river, in the Anhui section, have exceeded warning levels and continue to rise. Authorities in 8 cities in the region, including 5 along the Yangtze River, have deployed 26,000 personnel to patrol dams in response to the heavy rains and flooding. Heavy rainfall will continue in regions along and south of the Yangtze River over the next 24 hours, according to the Anhui Meteorological Center.